guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this one pan chicken and potatoes that is flavored with lemon, garlic, and herbs. It is so good and very easy to make. Before we get started, please make sure you have the notification bell turned on. That way you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start by marinating some chicken. I'm using chicken legs and bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. First, we're going to pour some melted butter all over the chicken. Next, I have some olive oil going in. Then we're going to add a whole lot of minced garlic. We're going to boost the flavor with some fresh herbs. So I have some finely chopped thyme going in, some finely chopped parsley, as well as finely chopped rosemary. And to add an amazing fresh lemon flavor to the dish, we're going to add the zest of one lemon. Make sure you zest in only the yellow part of the lemon because the white pith can be pretty bitter and you don't want that in the dish. Next, we're going to squeeze in the lemon juice, get it all in there. Then we're going to add some Dijon mustard. Go ahead and season with a generous amount of salt and pepper. Then we're going to mix everything together. And the freshness from the lemon, herbs, and garlic will give the chicken such an amazing flavor. Once we have the marinade on every single piece of chicken, we're going to cover it saran wrap. Then let this sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. That way the chicken can soak in all those fresh flavors. So while the chicken is marinating, we're going to cut up some potatoes. I'm using a combination of red and yellow medium potatoes, and I'm going to cut each one into 4 equal pieces. Go ahead and transfer your cut up potatoes into a baking pan, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Get everything very well mixed in. Then when your chicken has had enough time to marinate, you're going to place them onto the potatoes. Since we're going to roast the chicken and potatoes together in one pan, you want to move the potatoes around a little to make space for the chicken. That way they all roast together very well, okay guys? Next, you're going to scrape any excess marinade left in your pan and sprinkle that all over your chicken and potatoes because that's all good flavor you don't want to waste. I also went ahead and sliced some onions. I'm going to stick them in between the chicken and potatoes. The fresh onions add such a unique flavor to the dish, so make sure you don't skip this part, okay guys? Once you have everything assembled, you're going to roast this in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for an hour and 10 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked through. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Smells so good. I garnished with some lemons and fresh parsley. The lemon, garlic, and herb pack this dish with such a fresh flavor. The chicken is nicely roasted, really tender, and the potatoes came out so good. My favorite is the sauce on the bottom of the pan. It is so bomb. Serve it over your chicken and potatoes and you are ready to enjoy some delicious one-pan chicken and potatoes. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. If you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.